Hi there, and welcome to Story Time with Uncle Bill. And it is way past the time that I want to be out here on this water. God have mercy. Cannot stand not being able to see. But it sure is beautiful out here. Ain't no doubt about that. It's just highly infested with alligators out here. I mean, it's just ain't no other some way to put it. You know, and this is just a little teeny kayak. You know what I mean? It's just a little baby kayak. It's not a big boat. And there's a big alligator. Big. Seen it. It's on my video. So look up alligators and you'll see it. How beautiful is that? Just that alone worth coming out. It's been peaceful though. It's like 78, 75 degrees right now. You see the water's pretty calm. It's got a little movement to it, but it's not choppy or anything. Got a nice reflection off the water over there. I guess just like anything else, everything comes with they dangers. This one just happened to involve a big ass reptile. My buddy's over there. Look, you can't even see him. That's how dark it is. See, I'm not really comfortable. Imagine the only light is that little bit of light out there and the little lights there. I don't want to be out here. So, not only that, I'm about to go in. A lot of shadows and rays. That looks really cool to me. Let me see if I can take a picture of it right quick. Yeah, if you look over here, it's just like regular sky. Oh, shit. I'm over here rocking a boat. It's about to go out. Beautiful light show now. Let me get another picture. Hope everybody's having a good day and staying safe. If you can, hit that like button. Share the video, subscribe if you haven't.